Monkey find yellow rock by river. Pretty. Heavy. Some monkeys wear it. Look fancy. Other monkeys see. Shiny. Monkeys start collect shiny rocks. Trade for bananas. 1 rock, 2 bananas. Good deal. But shiny rock heavy. Hard to carry, hard to store. Guard from thief monkeys. Problem. One day, smart monkey have idea. Smart monkey say,
Leave shiny rocks with me. I keep safe in big tree vault. I give you this paper. Paper say you own rock. Trade paper instead of rock.
Easy carry, easy trade. Monkeys love this. Paper light. Paper fold. Monkeys trade paper back and forth. Rock stay in vault. This called gold financialization. Rock become paper. Paper become money adjacent. Then monkeys get more smart. Or lazy. Hard to tell. Monkey banks say,
Don't buy 1 rock paper. Buy basket of rock papers.
We call this Gold ETF, Exchange Traded Fund. Monkey try say, hard word. ETF. Basically, monkey buy 1 banana leaf that own tiny pieces of many rocks. Easy diversification. Monkeys love easy, but jungle have dark secret. Some monkey banks print more papers than rocks in vault. Young monkey confused.
How can paper exist if rock not exist?
Mr. Bananas lean forward. Whisper.
This called paper gold. Many papers fight over same rock. If every monkey ask for real rock at same time, big problem. Poof. Magic gone.
Now, jungle have big country. Big country have boss monkey. Boss monkey loud. Boss monkey strong. Boss monkey name Donnie. Donnie pound chest. Donnie say,
Other nations bad. They steal. They cheat. I put tariffs on their bananas. I send soldiers. I make big noise.
Other nation monkeys get scared. They know like tariffs. They know like war. They worry. Banana currency go weak. What safe? What hold value? Monkey think. Banana currency? Government print too much. Banana get soggy. Lose value. What always pretty? What always heavy? What never goes zero? Shiny rock. Monkeys panic buy rock paper. Price go up. More monkeys see price go up. More monkeys buy. Donnie threaten again. Price jump again. Fear make rock expensive. Crazy monkeys show up. They know buy rock. They bet on rock. Young monkey scratch head.
Bet? How?
Mr. Bananas draw in dirt with stick.
Okay, imagine monkey A think rock price go up. Monkey B think rock price go down. They make deal. Monkey A pay monkey B small fee. Fee say, if rock price go up, I can buy from you at old cheap price. This called call option. Monkey A win if price go up. Opposite. Monkey C pay fee. Fee say, if rock price go down, I can sell to you at old high price. This called put option. Monkey C win if price crash. Monkeys gamble on direction. This make price wiggle more. Volatility.
Donnie on podium, screaming.
Tariffs, war, they pay.
Rock price jump. Donnie nap. Sun out. Peace. Rock price drop. Donnie wake up.
Actually, maybe I invade.
Rock price zoom. Monkeys lose mind. Buy. Price go 1,500, 1,800, 2,000 leaves. Crazy. Jungle crazy. Monkey news.
This just in, shiny rock now costs 2,000 leaves. Experts say maybe 5,000 leaves, maybe 10,000 leaves. Nobody knows. Buy rocks.
Monkey YouTubers.
Hey monkeys, today we discuss shiny rock strategy. Hit like if you hold rocks. I personally own 50 baskets of receipts, not financial advice.
Young monkey's eyes get wide.
So, rock go up forever? Just buy and get rich?
Mr. Bananas laughs a big laugh. Shake head.
No, young monkey, nothing go up forever. Not even trees, not even sun.
Donnie scream again.
They laugh at us. Biggest tariffs ever. You'll thank me later.
Rock price wiggle. Mr. Bananas stand. Stretch. Look at his class of young monkeys.
Donnie scream, rock wiggle, paper dance. But you remember, shiny pretty, shiny heavy, shiny just shiny. Now go eat banana, real food, real strong. Class dismissed.
Young monkeys scatter. Mr. Bananas walks slow back to his tree, mumble to himself.
Smart monkey, dumb monkey, same jungle, same rocks, same papers, same Donnie scream.